Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to participate in the AI World Cup in the AI Reporter competition. So in the AI Reporter, the main task is to summarize the soccer game. So you point out the important factors leading to the outcome, and also it's really important for you to point out like some insightful comments about the game, insightful game analysis, some statistical analysis. So all of these are really important factors in the AI Reporter game. So here you can see the scoring criteria that will be used for this competition. So the organization is important, the readability is really important, veracity. But for me, these two things are the most important factors in the AI Reporter. The Turing testability, so if you can distinguish if it is an AI or a human generated report, is really important. And the informativeness, so if the report has a statistical analysis, some insightful game analysis, and it has some important information about the game, how this counts here in the informativeness. So this is really important. So if you want to participate, you can click here in how to participate. I already opened this page, so you can come here, how to participate. The first thing is to click in the sign up button at the top of the page. We're gonna follow that, and then you're gonna see the form that we need to fill. Here, sign up. So here you can register our team. So register as participant, and you put your group, choose your ID, password, your team name, affiliation, if you're gonna participate in the poster presentation, the number of team members of your team, and other additional information here that are all important. And here you choose if you're going to attend the event that's going to be held in KAIST, Daejeon, South Korea, August 2022. After you finish to fill this form, you click sign up and you're ready for the competition. So coming back to the how to participate, all these details that I mentioned are explained here. So you can come here and read if you wanted to participate in the poster session, in the workshop. After that, you go to the fun part. That is to install the simulator and start to develop your own AI reporter algorithm. So we're going to click here in simulator details. And the page for the GitHub, on GitHub for the simulator is going to open. So you can read the README here. The first thing that's important to mention is that the simulation program requires the WebOps Robot Simulator. So how can you download that? You can go to the Cyberbotics website here, cyberbotics.com, download, and you can download the R 2018A revised 1 version for Windows or for Mac, for Linux. You can choose which one. So you download the WebBots, and then you can go back to download the AI World Cup simulator program. How can you download that? Here you have the instructions, but the easiest way to do that is going to the release page. You can click here or come here to the release page. You see that there are 5 releases, and the last one is the version 0.5, so you should download the version 0.5. Click here. You see that I already downloaded the version 0.5. I downloaded here, unzip it. So this is the folder, the test word folder, where you can get the program. I have the config files, my examples, my words. I'm going to show you that for you in a minute. So the first thing that I'm going to show is the config file, this one. So we should open, and it's going to look something like this. The game time, deadlock, false here, your team, programs, and here that if you want to participate on the reporter, this is important. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use the example provided by the simulator for the reporter that is presented here in the examples folder, reporter skeleton py, reporter skeleton. So we're gonna put here as our main program. Examples, reporter skeleton py, reporter skeleton dot py. So we're gonna save that. After you save that, we downloaded the Webbot and it looks something like this. So we can come here and file, open Word, and go to where we downloaded our test word file here, test word, and look for our world and choose the AI Word Cup here. So we're gonna load our word that we're gonna use to run the simulator. It's gonna load the word, and after that it's gonna look something like this. For the reporter, something different is that the game needs to run completely, and just after the game runs, we have the report. So because the game is set for 5 minutes, we're gonna change that for 10 seconds so it can run and check the report generated by this program here. Just gonna run. It's gonna start the simulation that's gonna run for 10 seconds. We hope that something interesting happens in these 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So finishing. So here in the test word, we have the report. So you see that it was generated a reported file here. So if you click, you see that it says the game ended in a draw. You see here 0-0, and it was really a great match. You can see this information, why we generated this, here in the reporter skeleton.py. This is the program that we ran here. So after the game ends, he checked which team won. So in our case, the game ended in a draw, and he added another message. It was a really great match. It was really a great match. So after, we're gonna revert our world and change the code a little bit to see other possibilities that we can do in our example code. Here, we are gonna create another variable here, a counter, and with this counter, after the end of each frame, we're gonna check if our robot 2 touched the ball. We're gonna check if our robot touched the ball. If our number 2 touched the ball, we're gonna increase our counter. And after that, we're gonna append how many times our robot 2 touched the ball for our reporter here. So we're gonna delete this one that I already ran. So we're gonna save it. And we're gonna run the simulation again. Let's run the simulation again. We see that our robot 2 is here. So he didn't touch the ball. And one team scored. Our team scored actually. Let's see if he touched the ball. Oh yeah, he touched the ball. Yeah, he's touching the ball again. All of this is gonna be appended as information for our report that you're gonna see here soon. Appear here soon. Oh, appear. We're gonna stop here the simulation and check our report. So you see here that our 8 team won. this last simulation. See, the score was 1-0. And he said that the robot touched the ball 9 times during the game, and it was really a great match. With this, we end this quick intro to the AI reporter task, and we hope to see you all in the 2018 AI World Cup.